Hi, my name is Tara Williams with Cook Martin Poulson, and today I'll be discussing the benefits and requirements for paying your children out of your business. Small business owners are constantly looking for ways to save on taxes, and paying your children out of your business is a great deduction. You could pay them to clean the office, wash trucks, help with odd jobs. In today's world, it wouldn't even be far-fetched to say that they could help with your social media marketing. If your business is set up as a single member LLC, sole proprietorship, or spousal partnership, these deductions are available to you. If your business is set up as a corporation, there's also a workaround, but we'll get into that a little bit later. First, let's start by going over the benefits of paying your children. By putting your children on the payroll, you can save money on taxes in two ways. The first way to save taxes is if your children are under the age of 18, you are not required to withhold income taxes or payroll taxes from their paychecks. This exemption also applies to federal unemployment and state unemployment until they're the age of 21. Another tax benefit is that your children don't have to pay taxes on the first $6,300 of their income for 2015. If you paid your children around $6,000 for summer work they provided for you, you would save around $459 just by paying them instead of a regular employee. When you lower your business tax, you also lower your individual tax. This deduction could make the difference in avoiding phase-outs or other taxes. Let's say your tax bracket was 25%. This $6,000 deduction would have saved you about $1,500 in income tax. Saving taxes isn't the only benefit to paying your children. Employing your children will give good work ethic at a young age instead of just giving them an allowance or just giving them money. It's also a great way to start saving for their college education. One question that we hear a lot is, if I pay my kids out of my business, won't their income be subject to the KIDDIE tax? The answer is no. The KIDDIE tax does not apply to earned income. So your children will pay tax at their bracket and not at the parent's tax bracket. Now that we've sold you on the benefits of paying your children, let's go over some of the requirements. Your children should be legitimate employees of the business, and they should be paid a reasonable wage. So if your child is pulling weeds for you in your landscape company, they probably shouldn't be making $50 an hour. A paycheck should also be issued to your child just like a normal employee, and they should receive a W-2 at the end of the year. I mentioned this earlier, but your child should be under the age of 18 to receive all of the potential tax deductions available to you. Just like with regular employees, you'll have to file payroll tax reports at year-end and every quarter if that applies to you. So what if your business is set up as a corporation or a non-spousal partnership? There are still benefits to paying your kids. Let's go into an example. Let's say you own an auto shop. You could easily justify contracting out your office or shop cleaning to a single member LLC that sole owner is your spouse. That way, he or she could pay the kids out of the LLC, and you would pay the LLC for doing the shop cleaning. As you can see, there are quite a few rules and requirements to keep in mind when paying your children. If you're interested in learning more, please contact our office.